Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I've, done this whole YouTube thing. I tried filming videos before, those were fails. So I decided to do a little makeup tutorial / get ready with me kind of situation. It's not going to be like super chatty because I'm still trying to get used to being behind the camera using natural daylight. It's kind of gloomy outside, but we're just going to make do. So if you want to know where I've been and any like channel updates, make sure to keep watching. And I'm going to try my best to make sure I look directly into the lens and not the viewfinder. So yeah. Also, if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe. Hit that notification bell when you do subscribe to make sure you're notified every single time I upload. And without further ado, let's get on with the video. I'm gonna use my OG Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. I'm just gonna put a pump in like a quarter on my fingers and just put this all over my face. My skin is freaking out just a little bit because of the pandemic. So that's fun. I was a big friend here. Also, my hair is different. Didn't really address that, but you guys know I love me some red hair. It makes me feel so good, so I had to do it again. And I'm gonna try and do kind of an everyday makeup look, but a little bit more glam. There's a little pizzazz to it, because my everyday makeup look does not involve any eyeshadow. And then I'm also going to be using some dramatic lashes from my friend's lash business. I'll have her link down below. So yeah, we're going to wait for this to set. Then we're going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I've been loving this foundation. I've been using it every single time I do like a full face of makeup. So yeah, nothing has really changed in that aspect. So I'm gonna put like a pump on the back of my hand. This is a little too much for me because I don't really like that much coverage. I want to make my skin look as natural as possible. Let me know if you guys want to see like a mask friendly makeup look. But basically the look I've been wearing whenever I go to work, because we have to wear masks. I'm gonna first go in with a brush and then with a beauty blender, just so it looks more natural. And as you notice, I don't put any foundation on my nose. I do that last, just so my nose doesn't look super cakey. Gonna conceal, and as you guys know, I don't like to do too much when it comes to the highlighting aspect of makeup. I saw this trend, I think it started on TikTok, and you don't even have to use that much concealer. So you just put some like here and then here. Since we are doing more of like a glam look, I am adding a little bit more concealer than what I usually would do. So I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit before we blend it out, because you want a decent amount of coverage. You want to look awake, not tired, not, anything like that. So yeah, and then I'm gonna blend it out with the sponge. This is the Fenty Beauty one. I was gonna use a beauty blender, but I just wanted to switch things up this time around. So yeah. Hello? Hello?
A few moments later.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
What? Why?
Why what? You called me. Bro, what is this? What is that? Bro, I'm kind of scared. Who is that and how did they get my number? I'm actually going to start off with this brush. Gonna set my makeup. I'm still so confused. Like, what just happened? Going to contour. I've been using this palette for I don't even know how long because this contour shade is just perfect. I'm gonna brush upwards to look snatched. Okay. I'm just gonna let this absorb for a minute. And while it's absorbing, I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna do them off camera because I suck at doing them on camera. I need to be a little bit closer to the mirror. So I'll be back when the brows are done. I'm gonna put a little bit of blush on. I forgot to do this before. It's okay. Just a little bit. I just don't want it to be too dramatic. So we're gonna move on to the eyes. I already put concealer on and setting powder. So I'm gonna use the Aina palette. I love, love, love the packaging. I still keep it in this little like sleeve thingy, but like, look at that. Gorgeous. I'm gonna go into edges, which is this color right here. And I'm gonna take this E23 brush. I need new brushes, so if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know. I'm just gonna sweep this above the crease as like a transition color. I'm gonna go into Credit, which is this brown shade right here. I feel focus right here. I'm gonna use this brush. I really don't feel like saying what brush it is because if y'all know the tea, if you don't, do some research. And I'm just gonna put this in the crease. So I'm gonna put a little bit of ginger, which is this color right here. I'm just gonna put that on the lids just lightly. Gonna do eyeliner. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit more so we can see how the process goes down. Hopefully it's not an epic fail, so wish me luck, please. If I can find my eyeliner. Oh, there it is. I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. onto lashes. So I'm using my friend's brand. This is the packaging. It's Extreme Fantasy Lashes. And these are in the style Doll Me Up. That's what they look like. So pretty, right? So I am going to put these on. And I'm also going to put mascara on right now while I wait. And this is just Bad Gal Bang, my ultimate favorite mascara. And just a little quick coat so they can blend in with the lashes. Lashes are on. Time to highlight. So I think just to change things up, I'm gonna use Shookington, which is this color right here. And I'm gonna take this E.L.F smudge brush, put this in the inner corner. I am going to use Tourmaline. I've had this glow kit for a very long time. Looking extra glowy. Time to line my lips. I'm going to do a little bit of a different lip look, but still kind of the same idea. So I'm gonna line my lips with my all-time favorite lip liner. It is the Annabelle Smooth Waterproof Long Lasting Eyeliner in the color Brownie. Looking a little crazy. I'm sorry. I don't know if that was even caught on camera. I apologize if it wasn't. And then I'm gonna take this lipstick. I'm gonna add hot chocolate. Ooh, yes, girl. I think since I'm feeling a little extra, I'm gonna add some brow highlight. I think I might add a little bit of the inner corner highlight too. Aina really did that when she did, or when she created this palette. So I'm gonna take my hair down. Let me add some earrings and then we can complete this look. Okay, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I love it. I feel like with my hair, no, let's have a few strands. I love this, especially with the light purple inner corner situation. I love it. It pretty much looks just like every other, like every makeup look that I do, but I promise it's different. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more of my face, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified with every single video that I upload. I've been watching too much Libby Christensen, but yeah, I think that's it. Leave some comments down below letting me know what your thoughts are. Like, do you like this look? Should I experiment more? Should I do like a colorful look? I don't know. Let me know. But yeah, I hope you'll enjoy it, and I think I said that already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Rockstar.